Nasdaq Composite jumped 1.5% to lead a broad market recovery on Wednesday. The S&P 500 rose 1%, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average added 319 points. This rally was driven by a sudden shift in geopolitical expectations. But why did market sentiment reverse so quickly despite ongoing hostilities? A report suggested Iran has signaled a willingness to negotiate an end to the war. The New York Times stated intelligence back channels reached out to the CIA. This pivot significantly eased the panic that previously gripped global exchanges. Earlier, South Korea's Kospi Index suffered its worst loss in history, dropping 12.1%. But why was the reaction in Asia so much more severe than in New York? The region is acutely vulnerable to disruptions in energy and semiconductor exports. As trading moved westward, oil prices moderated from their intraday highs. Brent crude settled at $81.40 after President Trump pledged to escort tankers. There is a sense of cautious optimism returning to the trading floor. Domestic economic data provided another pillar of support for stocks. U.S. service industries grew last month at the fastest pace since mid-2022. But why did this report surprise analysts who were expecting a war-led slowdown? Real estate and finance businesses maintained momentum despite rising costs. Furthermore, private payroll data from ADP showed resilient employer hiring. This matters because it provides a buffer against potential stagflation fears. In the tech sector, major players signed a ratepayer protection pledge. AMZN, Geogol, and MSFT agreed to fund their own power for new AI data centers. This commitment aims to ensure that AI infrastructure does not raise public bills.